And that was it for lock info. Other thing is called motion. It's an awesome one. I love this one. Let's see. Press wrong button. Right now I only have a motion to be set up as rotation only. You can do all of these, but if you put all of these at one, it's really I think it's having too much movement, and it can cause a headache, which it did for me. So I only have a very subtle movement. And let me go back outside here. Just bear with me a little bit. As you can see here, just this one just rotate, and so did that one. A very slight movement, but it just like it's good enough to be entertained. Okay. Multiflow, this one, it will show all the open apps on the same screen if you want to do multitasking. For example, I set my multiflow to be open when I triple clicked it, and there you go. I have all three of these open up on the same page. I'm sorry, there are 7. I can't count. My bad. And that's just a quick way to get access to the app that you wanted. Multi-icon mover. I did mention with you earlier, but you do have to download this one in order to move it. You have seen it, just like checked it, and then go to the next page, click the home button, and everything will move there. There we go, but in this case I only have one spot. So I'm going to move this one back. Okay. Oops. Okay, I think I just messed up my thing. Just bear with me. Oh, well, a little bit too much here. Okay. Oh, well, I'm just gonna leave it as the way it is. Okay, let's move on to the next thing. We don't have much time. My strings. Well, actually, I do list this one out. I just put a folder within a folder. Just bear with me. Okay, we're back in business, sorry. Okay, my strings. Let's go to my string. This one here. This is an awesome tweak. It's a must-have tweak. Let's see, where can I find my tweak? Oh, there it is, my strings. This is allow you to customize a lot of things, a lot of messages that pops up, even your slider. You can have like instead of in English, you can type a lot of things like messages like in your language. Like for me is in Vietnamese. Oh my goodness, sorry I couldn't type it through the look of the screen, just bear with me. Whoops, I have to turn on my thing here. My Vietnamese. Okay. And you can even add an icon to it too. There we go, but I'm just doing a quick demo for you. So that is how it is. And the other thing is called extra. You of course it's still within the my strings, but that section is called extra, which you can customize the colors. Let me go back here. Okay, there we go. I customize my color in purple on the under the folder, and as you can see here, my color here is in olive, and you can choose the default color, which are in red, blue, etc. But I went a little bit more. I used the HTML color code. For those who are not familiar with HTML color code, it means like when people create website, they will use a code to give the color, and you can go to website and type in HTML color, and there's a bunch of website pops up, and you just pick one of those. I don't like this one. Oops, this one is even worse. That's an ugly one. Okay, let's try this one. Okay, here, this one is better. All you have to do is like you see like the rainbow color over here. All you have to do is like click on the color and we'll move to the next one. But and this big square, it shows like how much color you want to give, like how light or go from light to darker colors of that within that color. For example, of this one, it will give a number here, a value. All you have to do is just copy and paste it. Okay, all you have to do is just, you already copied that one, and you're just gonna go back to my strings, and then you're gonna have to place the color between the you don't have to take everything out. If you take everything out, it's not gonna work. So you basically like, you just like, this is my color, you have to take all the numbers out and then just paste in the value that you just copy, and that will give the color to your dock icons or to undock icons. Other thing is called started bar time color. What it was like, I put a blue color to my clock here, and that looks pretty nice. And of course you can choose different color too. Other feature is called you can change your character name. Like my character name is called H2O, but instead of that I use my pen name, and it looks pretty nice. You can put a fake time on it too, but well, I don't like it like that, so just want to have my time, the real time. Remove background. This one you do have to download it along with the activator, and let's see here. Once you have the remove background, you do have to go to your activator, and you have to set it up like, say if you want to hold a double hold to your home button, but the way I set it up is like just to hold. There's a lot of option here, but the way that I set it up is like to hold this right here, the clock or the status bar, and then hold it, and it will kill my background. Right now I'm just gonna show you, like I have a bunch of things in the background here. I'm gonna hold this one. Oopsie, give me a second. Let me see, I don't think it worked. No, just bear with me. Okay, you have to you have to hold it and press it. Okay, now it just did. There we go. Everything gone, of course, except that. But it's a quick way to kill your background. I very like that app or that tweak because it will save me a lot of time when I try to kill my background instead of going delete it one by one. Ringer X VIP. This is an awesome one. Normally you would have, by default, your phone will allow you to set different ringtones to different individual. But for this one, you can set up with a group, or you can, it has like more option to it. And I just click the wrong one. Okay, here. This one you can set up your, let me see, go to, okay, for example, if somebody block or an anonymous number, you can set up like to ignore all the way, or to have a different ringtone to it. And then for different group like unknown contact number, you can even set it up like the same way. You can only like set up like with a ringtone, or however these options will be. And for individual, give me a second, I'm gonna find a person here, a victim here. Give me a second here. Okay, whoopsie. Okay, I set him up with an I didn't have anything set up much, but I did set him up with a different ringtone. And of course you can do a lot of things for different individuals. You can set up like I think a picture too, but basically just ringtone. I'm sorry, let me take it back. Normally you can set up a picture for individual, but with the Ringer X VIP, it's only set up ringtones and different features to it, but not the picture. SB setting. This is a shortcut. As you can see here, I have little shortcut to my fingertip. I can turn on and off like 3G or airplane mode, Bluetooth, all of these here, or respring my phone. I can have everything at my fingers here instead of going to the setting. And of course, if you want to, you can put some more apps here on the dock. But since I don't want it, that's all I have.